reviewing the level 8 luggage sets that we're going to be using for our travels. We're going to be going to Europe, and my husband and I are going to use this. This one is the Luminous 20, Voyager 26, and the Voyager 28. So we're going to try these and see how they perform. Each one is a little bit different, but all the same. Because it's level 8, they roll pretty easily. And the Voyager 26 has a bigger capacity on the inside because of the handles. And the 28 is just a bigger capacity. I've used the Luminous 26 as a check-in before, and it performed well. It does have a few scuffs and buffs, but I'm gonna clean those out and it rubs off. There are no dents. So we'll see how these perform for our next trip. This is the level 8 luggage set. They do have some other options, but these are the ones that we're going to be trying out. The 20-inch Luminous. So you can see it has a handle up here. Pretty sturdy rack. And a grab handle here, so it's good for you to put it up. It has TSA lock. They say it's YKK zippers, but it has the level 8 logo on it. It has the feet right here, and this is what the bottom looks like. Now, I have not done anything to this since the last time I checked it in, because I wanted to record this video to show what it looks like. You would see that it does have a little bit of scuffing around. Once you clean it, it kind of wipes off. But this is what it looks like on the outside. The wheels have the level 8 logo on it. And this is the 26 Voyager. I love it because yellow is my favorite color, so that's why I got this. Plus, it has the bigger handle. Now, this you cannot put your backpack strap in through this, but if you turn your backpack sideways, then it will work. But that's the big difference between this and all of the sets. Grab handle, and that's it. Now, there is a 26 that has the grab handle in the front. Level 8 made 2 different designs, so when they're shipping them out, it just depends on which one you get when they ship it out. I got the one without the grab handle in the middle. I think I would have loved to get the one with the grab handle in the middle, just so that you have an extra sturdy item to grab, but that's okay. We'll see how this one works. It has the legs in the back, grab handle here, just like in the front, but I wanted the one in the front. So this one in the back, more legs here, legs in the back, so that when you sit it down, you know that they have a little bit of protection. The TSA lock for this one is on the side. YKK sleeves, zippers, but with the level 8 logo on it. So that's the outside of the 26-inch Voyager. And now, 28. The 28 has, immediately you will notice that this one has the normal size handle, pretty sturdy, that you could put your bag over. Has a grab handle in the top, one on the side, and one in the back. the legs in the front and the no legs. Just the one legs on this side. So this one obviously is a different design from some of the other ones that I've seen because they do have legs in the back. So we'll see how this one handles with another travel. It does have some scuffing on it already, so we'll see if it gets worse. I am gonna clean this to see if some of these come off, so this is the way we test it. Level 8 always calls, it's a hard shell, but it does have a little bit of give to it. TSA lock is in the side, YKK zippers. So I'm gonna open them and show you the difference between each one. So both of these look very similar. A pocket here, pocket here, pocket here. Pretty wide space. The capacity, it holds a lot. And because the wheels are inset, you do lose a little bit of space right here, but you do have all of this capacity. On this side, one zipper, no compression straps. I would have loved to see compression straps in one of these sections, but there are no compression straps in this. I'm assuming that they think that this will hold your luggage, and it does for me, but I also use packing cubes when I pack. You do lose a little bit of space here because of the handle, and this moves. There's no internal dividers in any of these in storage. It's just the two zippers. So you do lose that space right here, which is where the Voyager comes in, because when I open it up, you'll see that you gain all of this space. And so if you're using packing cubes, stuff this with some items in the bottom on the side. When I'm packing in this, I put my shoes in bags and I stuff them to the side. So that's the Luminous. And the Voyager 28 is the same. Except on this side, the bigger side, the two sides are not equal. This one is a little bit more shallow than this one. On this side, you have the compression straps. So similarly built like the Luminous, but just bigger. And the two zippers and the one main compartment with an additional compression strap. So that's what's lacking in the Luminous version without the compression straps. Okay, we're gonna put this off to the side and open up the 26 Voyager. 26 Voyager, again, the yellow side is the more shallow portion with the big section. And again, you have all this space. You do see that this is a more nicer fabric than the other two. It's a softer, more texture fabric. This one has the wet bag area. This is where you put wet swimsuit, liquids that you don't want to spill in your luggage, the mesh pocket, and the bigger, look at the capacity for this. It's a bigger capacity on this side. The zippers, you hear them, it's pretty smooth. Huge capacity. Compression straps you have all this space, and there's nothing except for right here where there's a little bit of bulk, because that's where the handle is. But there's nothing because the wide, look at that. Because of that wide handle, you have just one big space. So that's basically the level 8 Voyager and Luminous options. Now, the reason why I love level 8 customer service, it's soft hard side. This handle for me, love it. And how easily it rolls. Transition from carpet. Now we have a soft carpet, so you do have to lift it up. But transition, I've rolled this in a thicker carpet and it's just butter. So we'll see how it works between the Luminous, the Voyager 26, Voyager 28, and the Voyager and the Luminous 20. So that's it. This is the level 8 items that we're going to be traveling with, other than my husband's camera backpack, and I will have a backpack that I would use. I do have the level 8 backpack, the Atlas backpack. This is the only backpack that they have, and I have used it before. It's a great backpack, but I had some issues with it. So I'll do another video, just check out for it. It'll be in one of these little bumpers of that video review of me going through the backpack, and then I'll talk about what I liked about it and what I didn't like about it. I do also have the level 8 tech pouch that I love it. It works for me, and this is what I use when I'm traveling. So I'm gonna stuff all my tech gear in here, and I love this. It goes well with the Atlas backpack. So, but I use it, you know, with my other backpack. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can get my next video. You'll get a notification when my next video comes out, and I will report back on these babies, on how they work with us, for us in Europe. This one works great because I've already used it, so we'll see how these two work for checking in. Thank you so much. Hit that subscribe button again, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.